in this lecture we are going to study about median. So before study to the median, which is uh, another measure of central tendency, we would like to check that why we do need median when mean or average is already there. So to find why do we need, there is some values are given 8, 5, 10, 12 and 100. See, 4 5 values are given. So when I see that just find the mean of this value, you will find like this, that add all these value and divide the number of values. So it is divided by 5. You may find that 2, 5, 7, 8, 35, 2, 5, 7, 8, 15, 2, 3. So it is 135, and when we divide this by 5, so it is 5 to 27. But what is median? Now first come to the definition, what is median and why do we need it. Median is the mid value of the data, mid value of the data or distribution. When we are dealing in terms of distribution, then it is the distribution. So what? It is dividing the whole data. Just suppose this is data written on a real line. So this line would be divided by this data, and this is called median. So median will always lie in mid. Okay. So how to find it? How to find this median? So the formula is simple, that how to find it median. So there are two cases, n plus 1 by 2th term, if n is odd, and n by 2th term plus n by 2 plus 1th term, and this whole is divided by 2 when n is even. Okay, odd mean taking values like 1, 3, 5, 7, and even mean 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So we see the example discussed above. The value is given 8, 5, 12, 10 and 100. So to find out the median, it is necessary that you must have to arrange these values either in increasing order or in decreasing order. So it's up to you that how you do. So we are first arrange the above data in increasing order. So what we get? 5, 8, 10, 12, 100. So see this, n is equal to 5, whether it is odd or even, so it is odd, and when odd, so median is defined as n plus 1 by 2th term. So n plus 1 by 2th term mean 5 plus 1 by 2 mean third term, and third term is first, second and third. Third is 10, so it is 10. Now see here, the average of these values is 27. The average values of this is 27. So 27 is not representing 8, 5, 10 and 12, not close to these values and neither close to 100. But when we are finding median, it is close to 10. So that's why we need another measure of central tendency that better represent the data. 27 is not representing the data because it is neither close to 8, 5, 10, 12. Mean if we find this section as one, then as one group, then this is 27 is not representing this group and not it is representing 100. So where we take median is 10. So median is representing this set of group, So median is better measure than mean or average. That's why we need median.